Hi guys, welcome to the review of Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is Google's new flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This year, there are two Pro models, with the XL being the bigger one. The name suggests it should be massive. But the Pixel 9 Pro XL is only a little bigger than last year. Its screen is just 0.1 inch larger from Pixel 8 Pro. But this year brings some exciting upgrades, like an ultra-wide and selfie camera, a powerful new chipset, faster charging, and the ability to shoot in stunning 8K video. Is this phone its best flagship from the Google? Let's find in our full review. So, let's start with the design. The Pixel 9 series comes with a fresh design, which gives you a feel like an iPhone, with a flat back protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and a glossy aluminum frame. The camera bump has a bold new look. Just like last year, it's not just cameras and an LED flash. You'll also find a built-in thermometer sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL still offers IP68 protection, keeping it safe from dust and water. This phone has stereo speakers with great loudness, a nice upgrade from the previous model. The sound is still well balanced, but a few high-end phones have slightly better sound quality. A cool change this year is the fingerprint sensor. It's now ultrasonic, making it super quick and responsive. You can choose from 128, 256, 512 gigabytes, or even a massive 1 terabyte of storage. However, there's no option to expand it with a micro SD. Now on to the display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display, featuring a smooth 120Hz refresh rate with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The screen is slightly bigger than last year's model, but keeps the same sharp resolution of 486 ppi. There's also HDR10 Plus support. One major upgrade is the brightness, now reaching over 1200 nits with manual slider, and this can boost up to 2200 nits in auto mode. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is much brighter than the Pixel 8 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. This means it's even easier to use outdoors in bright sun. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures super smooth scrolling and gameplay. When you're not using the screen, it will come down to 1 Hz to save energy. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, based on Android 14. The interface is very simple, but Google has also added plenty of unique AI-powered features, including some familiar ones like the circle to search. Google's Gemini AI is a big part of the Pixel 9 series. You can ask it questions and get instant answers, and it understands over 100 languages right out of the box. Gemini can also summarize calls, texts, and emails, so you can quickly see the important details. Plus, you get access to Gemini Advanced, Google's top-tier AI service, which usually requires a subscription. But with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, you get it free for a whole year. All the new Pixel phones are powered by Google's latest chip, the Tensor G4. Compared to last year's, it has a new CPU, while the GPU remains the same but with a faster clock speed. The AI processor hasn't changed from last year. When using the Pixel 9 Pro XL, everything from the interface to apps run smoothly without any issues. The Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with 5060 mAh battery and performed well in our test, lasting 12 hours and 32 minutes of active use, though still slightly behind some competitors. Charging has been upgraded to 37 watts, but there's no charger in the box. With a compatible adapter, we charged the phone from 0 to 67% in just 30 minutes, and it took 1 hour and 18 minutes to fully charge, 5 minutes faster than the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also supports wireless and reverse wireless charging. Let's move on to the cameras. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a new ultra-wide and selfie camera, but the rest are unchanged. On the back, it has a 50 megapixels main camera, a 48 megapixels telephoto camera with 5x zoom, and a 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera, all with autofocus. Let's start with the main camera. It takes great daytime photos with sharp detail, balanced color and great dynamic range. The 2x digital zoom from the main camera is decent, though you may notice some detail loss if you zoom in too closely. Still, you can confidently snap portraits at 2x zoom. At night, the main camera performs great, with good exposure, well-preserved highlights, and no overly dark spots. Colors are decent, and while shadow details can be a little soft, the overall image quality remains strong. Now let's talk about the telephoto camera. Its 5x zoom shots are impressive with good dynamic range and colors. In low light, the telephoto lens still gives solid exposure and colors. The ultra-wide camera takes impressive daylight shots, with good details, natural colors and great dynamic range. At night, it captures bright images with nice tones, but when you zoom in, the sharpness and detail are not decent. Still, there's a noticeable improvement overall. This year's selfie camera is now 42 megapixels and includes autofocus. The images look great, with lots of detail, vibrant colors, natural skin tones, and excellent dynamic range. The Pixel 9 Pro XL can record 4K videos with all its cameras, and now the main and telephoto cameras also support 8K recording. For quality review, we'll focus on 4K. The main camera's 4K videos have good contrast and warm colors. But the sharpness is not great. The telephoto and ultra-wide cameras give similar results. It could be due to early software, and Google might improve things later. But for now, we're not impressed. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is a stylish flagship phone with a clean design, advanced AI features, and long software support. It has one of the brightest displays and great cameras. However, the video recording is not as sharp as other flagship phones, especially for 4K. If you're looking for the most powerful chipset, this phone might not be the best choice. But if those things don't matter to you, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is a solid option and definitely worth considering at this price. Thanks for sticking with me during my break. I will miss you all so much, and I'm excited to jump back in with fresh content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means everything. Let's make this journey together. Stay safe and see you in the next one.